Okay, water heater part 2. The plumber came in while I was here, and so we got water. And he installed, not very tight, how about that? Okay, but he did install the pressure relief valve. And the thermostat's still laying, he didn't bring out a manometer or anything like that. So there's that. We already know that the furnace was, I didn't get any power to the furnace, so I couldn't get any power to this. So the HVAC system has been decommissioned for whatever reason. But back to the HVAC system, I'll go here. This is the secondary drain line overflow over the window. So if it leaks and you're in this room, you can look out and you see that you have a problem, and you call the technician. Everything else about this water heater stands. The only difference is I got to tighten the valve for the drain piping for the plumber. And there's some discussion about whether this should be threaded or not. I mean, if you read the code, it says the end should not be threaded so that you could plug it. And is this the end? I mean, a little while ago, the previous video, that was the end. So